How to fix something went wrong with Windows Update, try to reopen error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your Windows Update not working. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. So open up your settings, and after you open up your settings, here you'll need to head over to the system option right here on the left sidebar. You'll find system. Now under there, you'll find troubleshoot. So search for troubleshoot and then tap on it. After you're inside troubleshoot, you'll find an option that says other troubleshooters. So head over there. Now, inside this, you'll find an option that says Windows Update. Tap on Run, that is right besides here. Tap on Run, and this will run troubleshoot on your Windows Update. Now, if there is any problem, or if they find any problem, they will try to fix it for you. So just wait for it till it gets over. And that's the first fix. For the second fix, you'll need to search for services on your search bar. So search for services, it's right here, open that up. Inside services, here you can select any service and then tap on W. This will take you to the section that has W in it, that is, it starts with W. And inside here, you'll need to find an option that says Windows Update. So it's right here. So after you find Windows Update, right click on it. And there you will see different options. Now make sure that you have started this, and if you already started this, you might want to restart it. So right click on it, you'll find a restart option, tap on restart. Since I just started it, I do not need to restart it, but simply tap on restart. After you've done that, you'll then need to restart your device. Restart your device and then your problem should be fixed. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like down below. And also to stay tuned, don't forget to hit this bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.